Hi, my name's Alif Musaji. I'm also known as the Smiling Dentist, and I'm the principal dentist here at Oakdale Dental. Now, you, as somebody who might be wanting to come here to have treatment done, may well ask yourself, and legitimately so, why should I choose Oakdale? Today, I'd like to share with you some of the things that make Oakdale Dental unique. For me, it's so important to look after people. I want my patients to be welcomed into my practice like guests and looked after really well, so that we can help you to make the right decisions for you and also make sure that we do the treatment in the best possible way. And that philosophy gets trickled down to every single member of our team. And I want every single patient who comes here to not only know that the treatment is going to be right, but also that their journey throughout that treatment is something that is, I would almost go as far as to say, an enjoyable one. As a person and as a business owner, it's really important to me to set the rules of the game up within our practice so that my patients win. Every time my patient wins and feels like they've had the best service they possibly can, and that everything has been done in the right way for them, then I hope that they will feel good about the treatment that they've had done here and maybe recommend their friends and other people who they know, because they can trust that we will look after them in the right way as well. And that's how our business grows, that's how our practice grows. And I think it's the best way for a place like ours to grow and look after more people every day. When I was younger, I was really lucky. I was able to read a book called Freakonomics, and it really inspired me. What I learned from that book is that we are able to set up the rules of the game so that we get the outcome that we need. So in my practice, I've set the rules of the game up so that different treatments reward the dentist in the same way. So they are not incentivized to sell you certain items of treatment. And I've done this so that the dentist can dispassionately explain different options and recommend the one that they think suits the patient best, not them. Welcoming our patients, or actually welcoming our guests, to a beautiful environment is really important to us. We want to make sure that our patients have the best experience, the most calming experience that they possibly can. So having the ambience right in the practice is really important, and we're very particular about it. We want you to come into a very calming waiting area like a lounge. And then when you come into the surgeries, we want the environments to be bright and beautiful. And we've put TVs above all of our operatories so that when you're having treatments done, it helps you to let your mind wander off somewhere else, so that before you know it, we're telling you the treatment's done. At Oakdale, I want to make sure that we have the best of everything, so that means that we can give our patients the best care possible. So for example, we've invested lots of money in equipment and technology. One of the things that has been the best thing that we can do for our patients is to provide them with crowns in a single appointment. And we do that here with this CEREC system. Rather than having to take impressions of your teeth and wait 2 weeks, we can scan the teeth, and this machine here will mill and make the crown in about 10 or 15 minutes, so that the whole crown treatment can be done in about an hour. We know that as a patient, once you've come to a practice, you want to be able to come back again and again and again and not have to go anywhere else if there are certain treatments that have to be done that are more complicated. And that's why at Oakdale, we have all of the specialists under one roof. which means that if you come and see me for your general dental care and you need an implant, then of course I can do that for you. But if you need your teeth moved, or you have complex gum problems or something like this, then I can refer you to one of our specialists within the practice. But it means you're always coming back to the same place and you know exactly who you're going to see. Time is such an important topic, and our philosophy about time at Oakdale is that we spend as much as we need to get the job done right. You will find that we'll front end a lot of the time so that we have enough time to explain all of your options, so that you're aware of all of the ups and downs of the treatment that you're going to have done. And we as clinicians will take enough time to plan that treatment beautifully. But then we execute and we get on with it, and we do it as quickly and as efficiently as possible, because we're respectful that you as a patient don't want to be having treatment done for longer than you have to.